Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and we have made it. We are now at day 7 of Vlogmas 2022. And hopefully you're not feeling a lot of pressure to start getting more Christmas stuff done as we get closer to the big day. Hopefully you're taking it easy and relaxed and not putting too much emphasis on things that probably aren't that important. I know that's something that I can do once in a while, and sometimes you have to step back and say, hey, it's not going to be the end of the world if I don't make my own Christmas cookies this year. I can always buy them at the store or the bakery, right? So make sure you take time for yourself and not put too much emphasis on things that aren't super important. One of the things you could do to maybe bring yourself back down, calm yourself a little bit, is to work on a garland for your holiday decorations. And that is what Vlogmas is all this year for the Whippy Chick channel. I am going to be just covering all different kinds of ideas for garlands so you can deck your own halls, right? I'm working on my own garland and I'm really excited about it. It's going to be super cute. But here's another idea for you in case you're interested. So this one is adorable, especially if you love the gingerbread look. I know I love the gingerbread look. I also love the gingerbread taste. But these are adorable. They look like little gingerbread cookies, and you know, they're a garland, so they're really, really cute. This is by goldenlucycrafts.com. There's a link to my Pinterest board in the description box below, so if you want to check out any of these garland ideas at any time during Vlogmas or any other time that these videos are up, feel free to check it out. It's going to take you directly to my Pinterest board. But yeah, these are super cute. They all look a little bit different from one another, but adorable nonetheless. I think they're super cute. And you could do them all exactly the same if you wanted to. So these are heart shapes. They're not like gingerbread boys, so pretty easy to make, I would think. All right, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this little series as much as I'm enjoying making it. And I'd love to see what you create. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.